Hello, my name is Etna Camila Nieto Gonzalez, Industrial Engineering student of the Strategic Management course, Group 30, Phase 3, Strategic Proposal. Chosen strategy: cost leadership, horizontal integration, cost leadership. General definition: cost leadership it's a business level strategy employed by companies ways to gain a competitive advantage by being the lowest cost producer of a service production process of commodities. Horizontal integration. General definition is the acquisition of a business operating at the some level of the value chain in the same industry that is they make of similar goods or service. Strategic proposal of for the case. According to the problem presented in the Diamond Supermarket, it's suggested to implement the horizontal integration is strategic since it decides to offer its products or service in different markets. Thanks. Bye.